Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the first episode of our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're going to talk about something you see as soon as you open Excel for the first time, the Start screen. So let's get started. When you launch Excel, it opens by default on what we call the Start screen. You only see this screen in this exact layout when Excel opens for the first time. Let's take a quick look around. On the left-hand side, you'll see three main icons: Home, New, and Open. Right now, we're on the Home page, and we know that because the Home icon is highlighted in dark green. At the top of the Home page, you'll see a section called New. This is where you can create a blank workbook or choose a template. Now, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a link called More Templates. If you click this, you'll access hundreds of free Excel templates provided by Microsoft. We'll talk more about templates and even how to create your own in a later lesson. For now, just remember where to find them. Below the New section, you'll see Recent and Pinned. This area shows files you've opened recently. By default, Excel remembers up to 50 files, but this can be changed later in the settings. One important thing to know, this is a dynamic list. As you open new files, they appear at the top, and older ones move down. Now, if you use a file every day and don't want it to disappear, you can pin it. Just hover over the file name, click the favorite icon, and that file stays at the top of the list. Simple and very useful. You can also access these files in Favorites tabs. Now let's move to the next icon, the New tab. This is where you go to create new workbooks. You can start with a blank file or choose from templates. If you scroll down, you'll see categories like Business, Planners, Trackers, and Budgets. You can also search directly. For example, type Invoice in the search box and press Enter. Excel instantly shows all matching templates. We won't select one now because we have a full lesson on templates coming up. Next, click on Open. This is where you go to open existing Excel files. Here, you can access recent workbooks, recent folders, OneDrive cloud storage, or browse your PC. Just click a file, and Excel opens it. This section is designed to help you work faster and save time. At the bottom of the menu, you'll see three options: Account, Feedback, and Options. In Account, you can see your Microsoft login, change your profile photo, switch accounts, or change the Office theme. You can also check which version of Excel you're using and look for updates. Feedback is simply where you can send comments or suggestions to Microsoft. And finally, Options. This is a very important area. This is where you customize Excel: autosave, language, toolbars, add-ins, and much more. We'll visit this menu many times throughout this course. One quick reminder. You only see the Start screen in this layout when Excel opens. If you close Excel and reopen it, you'll see it again. And that's it for today's lesson. You now know how to navigate the Excel Start screen, where to create new files, find templates, open workbooks, and manage your settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.